Hello, good afternoon, Sir Ian Duera, the instructor of Introducing Computer Subject. My name is Ben Esbilitario, 19 years old from San Agustin, Pili, Camarines Sur. From BSIS po, 1A. This is my task to introduce each of the sports on the back of the system unit. We will focus on this component of system unit or chassis. Tinatawag itong front panel. This is the start button. This is the audio port. And this is the USB ports, and this is the DVD drive. Sa likod naman tayo. Yan. Tinatawag itong power ports. Power ports. For the power ports, this is the responsible for the electricity current of the system unit. PS2 ports. Green is for the mouse, and violet is for the keyboard. And the next is VGA port. This is the blue one. This is the gate of the connections between your system unit and your monitor. The USB ports. USB ports allow USB device to be connected to each other with and transfer digital data or USB cables. LAN port. LAN port is a network port of the local area network connection that is used to share files and data between connected devices and as an access point that connects computer and other device to the internet. Ito yun, sir. And audio port. The pink port is normally the microphone input and is usually mono but might be stereo. The light blue port is normally the line input port and it is usually stereo. And the green port is normally the headphone output for also stereo. Check your computer manual to be sure. And thank you so much, sir, for your listening and the opportunity to you this kind of task. Again, my name is Ben Espilitario from BSIS 1A. Thank you, sir. Hello, good afternoon, sir. Nagbabalik, Ben Espilitario. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ikabit ang mga ito. This is the power port. Dito yan, sir, papasok. Dahan-dahan lang. Ganyan. And this is the VGA port. And dito yan, sir. Iikot natin, sir, para hindi na siya makawala at mapasatin lang. And this is the mouse. And dahil wala tayong bilog, so meron tayong USB mouse. Dito yung papasok. Sakto-sakto lang. And this is the USB keyboard. Keyboard, yes sir, keyboard. Dito yan, sir, sa USB keyboard. And so ganyan lang po, sir. Papakita ko po sa sunod yung paggana nito. Okay, sir, as you can see, gumagalaw na siya and mag-type ako ng password. And enter. Yes sir, na-open na po. Salamat.